Exactly, you get it, yeah.
Who's Gary?
That is funny. So this dish was made by my mum. I like bubble baths as well.
You're a Lushka?
Yeah, exactly.
Nice. Oh my God, it's Angelina Jolie.
The king again.
There's the king again. Ooh, that bit was spicy.
Damn.
Come on, mate, you're working here. You're working here. Welcome back to Waitrose's Food Lovers Uncut with my next guest, rapper and singer Tinie Tempah. Drum roll. What's in your fridge, Tinie Tempah?
Right, here we go. Go for it.
Okay, what is in this big pot?
Okay, so this will be a pepper soup that my mum has made. And it's got an assortment of different meats in there and stuff like that. Very, very spicy. So
Is it?
Like in Nigerian culture, heat is kind of regarded as flavor as well.
So what would be like a go-to midweek meal for you?
Jollof rice. So this over here, as you can probably see, this is like jollof rice, which is basically almost like what you would call like a paella.
Right.
It's tomato-based. We add spices into it as well.
And you're very into Brazilian. Sorry. You're quite big on Brazilian. I've got a guess.
No, you're gonna get it.
Okay,
You're gonna get it, Willy.
Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu is something you're into.
I love it.
You've won a gold medal.
2.
Oh,
Yeah.
right, okay.
Yeah.
Google says 1.
Google.
Google, man. What
Google.
are you doing? How many calories are you having to put away every day with the amount you're training?
Never been the sort of guy to like track my calories. As long as I feel good inside, and obviously once a year I'll probably go and do like a health checkup or something.
Neco Health?
Do you know what I'm about? I've booked it.
It's good.
Is it good, yeah?
My heart's 32 years old, so I'm 29. That's not great.
Bloody
but
hell.
Sounds like you do a bit
all
more
those,
exercise than me.
all those Freshers Week nights.
I think actually you might have been playing at one of my Freshers Week
I
things
reckon
that I
I
went
was.
to.
I apologise.
Have you ever had to fight Tom
Hardy.
Tom Hardy? Have you ever had to fight Tom
I've
Hardy?
had to fight him. It's sparring more than fighting.
Sparring doesn't count.
It doesn't
Do you know what
count,
I mean?
yeah. That's why I'm trying to be very careful with my words.
What happens in sparring stays in sparring.
Exactly, you get it, yeah. Yeah, elderflower.
You're into the cordial
I am.
in a big way?
Do you know what? I realised though that this is not everybody's thing.
I think that this is an incredibly middle class thing.
Damn.
Yeah.
As obviously I was born very, very working class. And
Look at you now, mate.
We did not have this when we
Look
were
at you
younger.
now.
Oh, crafted in the Cotswolds. Oh, God.
Oh,
Oh,
God.
man.
We've done fridge. Now let's do cupboards. Big on peanut butter.
I am.
There's like 4 different types
Yeah,
of peanut
I am
butter.
big on peanut butter, but this is a recent thing.
Are you smooth or crunchy?
I am smooth. Yeah.
Right.
Smooth, yeah.
That's interesting.
It is, isn't
It's hard
it?
not to judge a man for saying that he eats smooth peanut butter, but
I mean,
come on.
what can you do, man?
you need some crunch.
I like bubble baths as well. What can I do?
you?
Yeah, there
You're
you
a
go,
lush-
yeah.
you're a lush guy.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice. Who's Gary?
That is funny. So basically, Gary is essentially cassava that is prepared in a way where it comes to you like a mashed potato.
Okay.
With a lot of Nigerian soups, you have them with some sort of carbohydrate or a big bowl of mashed potato, and then you usually use your hands and you take a bit, you dip it in the soup, and then that's
Nice.
it.
You can grip it.
Yeah, you can grip it, you
out,
can roll it into a ball, throw it into the air,
Catch it in your mouth.
catch it in your mouth, all of that. Do you want to try this pepper soup, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
How hot is it?
It's very hot.
Okay. Great. Is that just like big cloves of garlic in there?
Yeah.
Oh, sick. And you're sure I can't have any mayonnaise with this?
That would be blasphemous. So this dish was made by my mum. Mum, you made this, right?
Yeah.
This is great.
Hot.
Oh, very.
Wait.
It's spicy from what we've been told. I'm going in. So what's that then? That's a bit of tripe?
That's tripe, yeah.
Nice.
That spice, I could see the reaction.
That's good. It's like peppery.
Yeah, it's called pepper soup.
Yeah, but it's not like painful spice.
Oh, it's not okay.
No, it's
Are you
like
sure?
it's like flavour spice.
You sure?
I'm good.
Okay.
Ah, do you know what's hot? That bowl. Oh, my
the-
God.
Okay.
No, that's absolutely delicious.
It's all happening, guys.
Oh.
Yeah?
It's yeah, come on, mate. You're working here. You're working here.
So on the scale of 1 to 10 of spice, where is it?
6.
6.
And a half, I think. Rosemary, thank you very much. That was really tasty.
This is what goes in.
Oh, that's what goes in.
What is that?
Yeah.
What is it?
Order.
It's called oda.
It smells quite minty.
Yeah.
It's like almost like pepperminty.
It's a highly aromatic West African spice It has a smoky, musky, and earthy flavour with a hint of bitterness.
Yeah, that's delicious. When you cook sort of traditional Nigerian food, are you putting this stuff in as well? Or is
So
this
I
like,
don't,
This is the master level.
Yeah, this is the master level. This is the stuff
This is
I
mum
need to-
level.
Yes.
Have you got anything wrong with your mouth? No?
Nothing major.
Great. Ooh, that bit was spicy.
Well, there you go. Now we're talking. What, is it still 6.5, yeah?
No, that might be a 7 now. On a serious note, yeah, thank you.
But I'll put some.
And it's funny you say it's like paella, because it is quite similar.
Yeah, one thing I've learned about cuisine is we're all kind of making the same things, just in different ways.
Yeah. Pretty much every culture has dumplings, but like China will be like, we invented dumplings, and then the Italians are like, well, no, it's tortellini. And
Exactly.
we did it, but...
We're all eating the same thing.
Yeah, nice one. God, this is delicious. Right, so that's your kitchen.
Yeah.
Just coming around the corner here is where the memorabilia starts of your career.
Yeah, a couple fun things dotted about.
What's going on with these?
Okay, so these I bought in around 2011. They are the first official pair of Air Mags, Nike Air Mags, signed by Michael J. Fox. So all this little scribble you can see here, that's Michael J. Fox's writing and his signature.
That's fun.
Yeah.
It's a piece of art. Whenever you're like hosting, do people ever put their drinks on it and you're like, don't do that?
Yeah, because you could just, in theory, you could just do this.
You've got loads more stuff over here, including GQ Man of the Year 2011
Yeah,
and 2012.
yeah.
What happened in 2013? What was it like meeting Vernon Kay? And the King,
time.
obviously, the King.
And the King.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you missed out that
Yeah,
bit. Yeah.
Oh my God, it's Angelina Jolie.
That was the BAFTAs, yeah. The King again.
There's the King again. Oh, no,
King
there's
again.
Angelina Jolie again.
That's me as a baby.
Cute baby.
Me as a fresh little baby, loads of hair.
Good hairline,
There
actually.
you go, thank you, man. Hanging on.
Was that one of the first tours?
But that was my first arena tour. I reckon September I'll come with a project. It's been a long time since I dropped one. So like 7 years out.
7 years.
Yeah.
And you're coming back with a sort of different vibe.
Yeah, coming back with a different vibe musically. Been feeling really inspired again, kind of dance orientated, so like lots of different genres within the whole dance music spectrum. I finally got to a place where I felt like I had a project strong enough for the world to hear it.
Bag of tricks. Obviously, as a musician, you've got a rider. Mm-hmm. This is your rider, what you did request.
Wicked, man.
So some honey
Yes.
and lemon and ginger. Is that for a vocal thing?
It's always for a vocal thing, yeah.
Yeah.
And then also you get run down while you're touring.
Okay.
So I think this kind of just keeps the immune system strong as well.
Yeah. And you also asked for 12 bottles of coconut water.
Yeah, coconut water has electrolytes in it, and it just makes me feel like super hydrated.
Yeah.
I train a lot, so after I train, I naturally will go for like coconut water or watermelon.
This rider now,
Yeah.
a few years into your career, this isn't what it was before.
I would say, if anything, my rider has probably got more extensive. Like, but when you start out, you're lucky sometimes if, like you said, you get a can of like an energy drink.
Good
water.
crisps as well.
Yeah, crisps. As you kind of build in your career, the rider gets bigger, so.
It's more of a quantity situation than a quality situation.
I would say where I'm at now, quantity and quality.
It's both,
Yeah,
right.
it's the full whack.
When did you set up rap?
So we set up Raps maybe like 4 or 5 years ago. Thought conceptually it would be cool to have like a sort of rap-inspired raps, if that makes sense. So we have tenders, for example, that we call the unknown tenders.
Okay,
I've been thinking about the Central Caesar
Yes,
salad.
Central Caesar
Central
salad. that's
Caesar
it, yeah,
salad,
nice.
yeah.
H.
H, yeah. What's that sauce? No.
HP sauce.
HP sauce.
HP sauce
HP
wrap.
sauce wrap.
That would be gross.
I know.
How involved in the menu are you?
Very involved.
Well, if you had to put a new wrap on the menu, what would you put on?
So I'm thinking about that now.
Okay.
Do you have any suggestions?
Well, maybe like a coronation chicken.
You know, I love coronation chicken. Yeah.
Raisins or no raisins?
With raisins.
Necessary.
They're so necessary, yeah. It's not the same. It's not coronation chicken.
The way that we like to end these episodes
Yes.
is by asking you what you're having for dinner this evening.
And well, I'm going down to the Arsenal this evening. There's a nice little Caribbean spot on the corner. I forgot the name, but it's pretty iconic. Either a curry goat or an oxtail, rice
Nice.
and peas and plantain.
Get you in the mood to shout at some footballers.
There you go, why not?
Lovely stuff. T, thank you
brother.
very much for letting me in your house.
Yes, Willy, thanks for coming through, man.
I've had a really nice time.
Good.
And I've had some really nice food as well.
Yeah, really spicy food. I thought it was perfect.